Hello and welcome. I'm Akram Birth, and you're watching Akram's Ideas, bringing creative and crazy ideas to life. I just wanted to jump on today with a quick video announcing the winners to the Akram's Ideas 1K subscriber giveaway. Now, as you may recall, there were 4 prizes that you could win, and with that we have 4 winners. So I'm going to go ahead and announce the names. So for the blue fabric prize pack, the winner was Anna H. For the red fabric prize pack, the winner was Steffi Ward. And then for the green fabric prize pack, the winner was Vicki Seals. And then finally, the sea turtle fabric prize pack went to Lori Justice. So those were the winners picked at random using a random comment picker. So a big congratulations to our winners, and if you are a winner, you will need to message me or email me your mailing address so that I can get your prize back out to you. You are welcome to message me on Instagram, Facebook, or my email address. I'll leave all the links in the description below, so be sure to do that. Try to do that before the end of the week or so I can get those mailed out as soon as possible. Again, a big congratulations to the winners, and thanks all of you, because we wouldn't even be having a subscriber giveaway if we hadn't made it to 1,000 subscribers. And thanks to all our new subscribers. I'll be doing these giveaways again every time we hit a milestone, so probably looking at the 2K milestone from here on out. But again, I'm really happy to have you guys along with this journey. And again, with the 1,000 subscribers, we have the new community tab available, so I can communicate a little bit with you guys as subscribers and see what kind of crazy ideas you'd like to see me bring to life here on Akram's Ideas. So I'll be posting some messages and polls and ideas, and would love to hear from you guys. So with that said, another big congratulations to our winners, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thanks for watching!